We like Disney. Oh, yes, we do. Disney and Colourpop did a collab. Oh, yes, they did. When we heard of the collab, Princess Fatima promptly got her credit card because under the sea, under the sea, la 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 la, under the sea. I got gadgets and gizmos are funny. I got who's its and what's its galore. You want to know those? She's got more than 20. But who cares? 'Cause I want more. This is a cute little mirror. I like the tone of it. Too stinking cute. It's Flounder. It's a claw hair clip. Do I need a Flounder claw hair clip? No. Do I want it? Yes. Will I wear it? Oh yeah. This is the Find Your Voice lip oil. The packaging is amazing. Yes, they went to town on the packaging with the mermaid and the seashells, and the color inside is just too stinking cute. This is a multi-chrome highlighter called Not a Guffy. It's referring to Flounder. I'm also thinking this could potentially be a topper over your eyeshadow. And I wish that the photos and that the camera were to do it justice. It's so much better in real life. This is another highlighter in Soft Shell in reference to the crab Sebastian. And again, it's so much better in real life. We get the Part of Your World, Liffy Pencil, and lipstick. And they are in a nice red color. Let me grab them here. That is their shade. I don't want to dig into them quite yet because I don't want to have too many product open, but the packaging, as well as the nice product. Yeah, I'm not knocking the products either. And there is a second lip liner and lipstick. The Ocean Will Be Mine. A nice plum shade. These almost look like they could be a fall color. Yes, that's what I'm thinking for our needs or for my needs. I might try it too, you know. In any case, you get lip liner and you get the lipstick. And it wouldn't be a collection without an eyeshadow palette. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, da 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 da, under the sea. That's what she looks like. A nice collection of matte and shimmer. And I'm gonna do swatches. Brush, please. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I do like a good swatching opportunity. We found that these are stiff shadows and that they are light, but they are buildable. I'd rather have it buildable than overpowering. This was 8 items for $99. Shipping was free. We had to pay tax. So all in, we were at $105, which is not bad for 8 items. The value was stated to be $112. Did you get this? Did you get one of these items and not the whole collection? Let me know, let me know. Did you see something that you liked? Let me know, let me know. 'Cause we're under the sea, under the sea, da 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 da. Come shopping with me. She's rewriting the songs. Hey, you gotta have fun with it. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Thank you for watching. Share with your friends. And we hope to see you again in another video. That won't be under the sea. Under the sea. Da 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 da. Come shopping with me.